Good morning, boys and girls. Woohoo! It's Friday. I hope you have an amazing day today and that you're ready to begin morning meeting. So to start off, boys and girls, we are going to do the Pledge of Allegiance. So if you can please stand up, put your right hand across your chest, and follow along. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Awesome job, boys and girls. You may be seated. So now we're going to go over the days of the week.
Healthy music for a child's heart, body, and mind. 7 days of the week from Preschool Learning Fun by the Learning Station. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them quiet. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them loud. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to clap them out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to stomp them out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them proud. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I'd like to sing again. 7 days are in a week. I'd like it one more time. 7 days are in a week. Please click here to see our original illustrated.
Awesome job, boys and girls. Now we will continue with the months of the year.
January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. These are the months of the year.
Okay, boys and girls, so good morning. Today is Friday, December 18, 2020, boys and girls. Today is the last day of 2020 that we will be here in school. next time we do morning meeting, we will not be using 2020. We will be using 2021. Isn't that excited, boys and girls? Isn't that bizarre how fast the year went by? Yes, it did. So now, boys and girls, if today is Friday, can anybody tell me what yesterday was? Yes, yesterday was Thursday. Good job. And if yesterday was Thursday, today is Friday, what will tomorrow be? Awesome job. Saturday. Finally, Saturday, we get to rest. So the weather for today is sunny because the sun is out. However, it is cool. It is fresh, kind of coldish. So to some people it might be cool, to others might be cold. You need a jacket to be able to leave your house. However, the sun is still out, boys and girls. So it is sunny but cool. Now we're going to continue with the mood meter. I want to know how you are feeling today. So I will begin with myself first. I am feeling excited, boys and girls, because today is Friday. So we have the weekend. And also because today is our last day of school. And now, after today, we will be off for Christmas vacation. Yay! We have 2 weeks of vacation, 2 weeks that we get to enjoy having fun, being with our family, and not having to worry about school or any work, boys and girls. So I am in the yellow. I am very, very tremendous, excited and joyful, and just very, very happy, boys and girls. Now I want to know how you are feeling today. That is great, boys and girls. I hope everybody is feeling as happy and excited as I am, or at least feeling in the green. If by any reason you are feeling in the red or the blue, I hope your day gets better, boys and girls, and that you can end up in the yellow or green area. Always remember that it is a bad day, not a bad life. The day will end and you will have a better day tomorrow. Always think positive. So now we're going to be going over the schedule. So to begin with, you should have or will be having breakfast and watching morning meeting. After morning meeting, do personal hygiene, wash your teeth, wash your face, wash your hands, go to the restroom, anything that you might need, boys and girls, before we start with. Today is Friday, so we are doing IEP goals. So you will go to your IEP channel and find your worksheets for today. Once you are done with IEP, have some fun, guys. Do centers, playtime, free time, anything just to relax your brain. After that, we will be doing story time, which is the read out loud. And then don't forget to have a little bit of exercise, whether it's doing the go noodle, or just dance, or playing around with your siblings, or by yourself. Just have a little bit of exercise. And today is only half a day, so once the clock turns 12 o'clock, you are free, boys and girls. So here are some activities that you can do if you don't know what kind of exercises to do. You can do the hula hoop, or you can do the hopscotch, maybe play tag with one of your siblings or family members, ride a bike, or take a walk if it's not too cold. Okay, boys and girls, so here are our teacher contact information. If you need any help at all, please feel free to reach out to any of your teachers, whether it's me, Ms. Gonzalez, or Mr. Salinas, or Ms. Carrillo, or Ms. De La Garza, or Mr. Guzman. We are always here to help, boys and girls. So feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions at all. And well, this is the end, boys and girls. Before you leave, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. I hope you get to spend these 2 weeks with your family and your loved ones, and that you have a very, very good and happy 2 weeks, boys and girls. We will see you here next year, which will be 2020. We're super excited. Hopefully you are as excited as we are. Anyways, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's to you and your family. Wishing you lots and lots of love and happiness, boys and girls. We will see you here in 2 weeks. Bye.